Now you won't see the page here, hidden one. Alright? But what you can do is now if you go to back, hold for a while, then you see a button called drill through page 5. By right, you can have to name the page as well to product details, for example. Right? So here we then name it, then it says page 5. Click, and it will jump here, give you the byte numbers. You notice top here, right? Then your boss want to go is either they go to here or you go to the back button to go back where it comes from. Now let's try another one. Let's say I want to look at clothing. I hold it there for a while, drill through page 5, and notice that for the same page itself, they change it to clothing and give you the clothing details. Okay? How many pages did you create? One. Okay, so that one was only one table. You can add in more visual to make it work properly as well. You can also look like this. You also can make it look like the dashboard where you have all the indicators. You put in division, you put in product, you put in all sorts of things, HR department, and your boss only look at one page. Everything also has to go through. Also okay. Okay, but of course, sometimes when you do this, and the division head will not, hey, can I get the report of everything? Because I click already, then go back, then nothing happens, I cannot screenshot or whatever. So that you want to visibly see the page again. So it depends on the design and depends on what you want the person to see. That's an important part. Okay, so this is drill through page created this way.